Okay guys, D doesn't know that the car has been painted. So we're going to surprise him and show him the car. So follow me along as you witness us surprise him.
Hello guys, this is CB Plays. I'm D.
And I'm your man C.
And today we're giving the update on the Eclipse. Today we got the car painted.
Yes. We wanted to keep the car in its original state as possible, as close to stock as possible, for that nostalgia feel. But we wanted to spice it up just a little bit. So we kept the car black and we added a little bit, just a subtle amount of red flakes. I don't know how it will convey on the camera, but hopefully you guys can see it. But when the sun hits it just right, it pops.
That's all the update that we have for now. We got the paint job done and the windows done.
But people, let's address the elephant in the room. Our tires are ugly. So the next major thing we're going to do will be put some rims and some tires on this bad boy. So we've been looking around the internet, searching the market for some ideas, some inspiration. But we haven't really solidified anything. So if you want to drop a suggestion or a comment in the comment section, feel free to do so because we're open for suggestions. But please, we want to stay within the red color to match our flakes. How about when we get home, I'll dust you off in a race.
You know what? Now that I think about it, your skill is lacking for the car wheels.
That's the dumbest thing I ever heard. Look straight ahead. What you think?
A house. I mean, not really a house, but more like grandma's house.
Yeah. Look straight ahead.
Or thing.
Yeah. See anything?
A Eclipse.
What you think?
It looks fresh.
Surprise! Check it out. What you think?
They dried it up and everything.
Tell me what you think.
Is it dried up? It looks nice and it got little red dots on it. Little small red dots.
So, what's your impression?
I love it.
You love it?
Yeah.
He approves.